Hey, what's up guys? We're back with another video. It's been a while since I've recorded, but today we're doing vectoring. Vectoring is basically what the ATC tells you to do and where to go for you to line up for the approach on the runway. So right now he gave me a heading of 080, and that's what I'm flying right now. So I'll tell you guys when we get our next vector. Okay, he just gave us a new heading of 060. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn to that. Right now we're flying at 18,000 feet, or 19,000 feet, in the Ryanair Boeing 737-800. It's honestly my favorite aircraft to ever fly in. Just a great, reliable aircraft. Just been around so long and does so many great things. Alright, that was a little hard of a jerk, but it's okay. So I'll tell you guys when we get our next vector. Okay, I requested to descend to 16,000 feet. So what we're going to do is we're going down to 16,000 feet. Put our descent rate, or cut our speed back to about 240 and put our descent rate at 1,000. We're going to give it a notch, 5 notch laps. So basically we're going into Palm Springs. That's where we're probably going to have to go around because we're at only 18 feet, 1,000 feet in descent. So we'll give it about 1,500 rate of descent. Let's see if we can ask to enter the pattern. Or let's see what he gives us. Okay, we were just told by ATC to descend and maintain 5,000 feet. If you look at the bottom of the log right there to the left-hand corner of the screen, that is what we're going to descend and maintain. Probably going to still have to do a go around. Yeah, we're going to have to do line up for pattern work. It's okay, we'll do that. And that'll be it. We'll have a good landing and see where it goes. Okay, so right now we're sending to... Yeah, why is my stuff not sending? Alright, yeah, there we go. We're in the pattern, right downwind, and so the pattern works like this. Let me get my map quick. So around, like, where I'm lined up is the right downwind of the runway, because you want to be lined up with the runway. So I'm on the right downwind of the runway. So I'm going to go around. If I keep going up, I'm the white plane. If I keep going up, and then I make a left turn, I enter the top base. And then I'm going to make another left turn. I want to be on the left downwind of runway 31 left. And then if I go down, I'm going to be at bottom base, and then I'm going to enter in for the approach on the runway. So that's basically how we're going to do this. So I'll tell you guys when we get to that point, when we come into landing, or if I get any more instructions. Right now we're about to hit 5,000 feet. Then I'll talk to you guys in a minute. Okay, now we are entering the left downwind of Palm Springs International. I'm sorry, that was my bad. I should have known the name of the airport. You can see it down there. It doesn't look to be too busy, but I can see name tags of aircraft taking off, and we're getting a bit of turbulence right now, but hopefully that doesn't affect us in landing. So, see you guys when we approach on final. Okay, we're going to begin our turn off of the left downwind in a minute, because I don't want to go crashing into the mountains. So we begin our turn. Make it a quick turn too. We're going to tell tower we're going to be entering the left base for... Go ahead and send 3,000 for our approach guide. And I like low approaches, so I'm going to keep this kind of low. But I'm going to keep it kind of high as well because we're at Palm Springs. Okay, there it is. Alright, I'm lining up for it. Tell him I'm on final. Ooh. Alright. Okay. Good, good. And if you look at the bottom, under our heading, which is that the little circle thing on the bottom, you see those lines that tells me I'm lined up for the runway, and then the one on the right by my altitude tells me if my altitude is lined up right. This is called an ILS approach. I will be doing another video on that later. Come on, line up with it. Straighten out. Looks like we got a bit of crosswind coming at us. We got a 16 knot wind coming at us. And she's wanting to fight me for it. Come on. Okay, here we go, final approach. Speed 200, gear down. Spoilers armed. 25-degree flaps. Alright. Looking good, looking good. Just want to fight. But other than that, it lined up well. Okay, good, good. .30-degree flaps at 80 knots. Gosh, this is gonna be a rough landing. Alright, here we go, here we go. There we go. Reversers. That was beautiful. Alright. That was a good landing. Alright, that's all for now, guys. Hope you enjoyed, and if you did enjoy, comment and subscribe. That helped me out tremendously. And thank you for all the support that just goes around. And I know it's not much. I know I'm not a big channel, but just thank you guys. And you guys have a good day.